step out of the whirlwind of thoughts and into a space of clarity and calm. This meditation will help you release mental clutter, reconnect with your inner rhythm, and carry a quiet sense of peace into the rest of your day. Take a moment now to settle into a comfortable position. Sit or lie down, allowing your body to feel completely supported. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And begin to notice your natural breath. There's no need to change anything right now. Just notice. Now begin to deepen your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your body with fresh energy. Exhale fully, letting go of tension, stress, or racing thoughts. Inhale, expanding the chest and the belly. And exhale, releasing any heaviness you carry. Feel your body soften. Continue this deep, mindful breathing for a few more cycles. Now gently return to your natural breath, simply observing its rhythm, steady and grounding. This is your anchor. Place a hand on your heart and feel the steady beat. And now place your other hand on your belly and notice the rise and fall of each breath. Scan your body from your head to your toes. Notice any sensations, or maybe the lack of sensation. Are you housing any tightness or tension in any area? Invite warmth and relaxation into each area as you breathe. Now wiggle your fingers and your toes, acknowledging the subtle movements of life within you, and affirm silently, I am present, I am grounded, I am at peace. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, quiet space, whatever that looks like to you. Maybe you notice the warmth of the sunlight on your skin, or the sounds of the world around you, the hum of distant traffic, birds outside. Visualize yourself moving through your day with this calm sense. Each step is measured. Each breath is calm. And with each step, affirm silently, I release what no longer serves me. I embrace clarity and calm. Bring your attention back to your body now. Feel the surface beneath you solid and supportive. Notice where your body connects to the surface. Slowly and with intention, stretch your arms overhead, reaching for the sky as you feel your body reawaken into peace and calm. Notice the sound of your breath, soft and steady. Place your hand on your heart, your companion and your guide, feeling the warmth and the strength you carry with you into this perfect day. And let this affirmation flow through you, either as a soft whisper or the quiet in your mind. I am centered, I am peaceful, I am whole. And as you're ready, gently float your eyes open or refocus your gaze and come back to your senses. Notice the subtle sounds around you, the faint hum of life, the rhythm of your own heartbeat, quiet whispers of the day unfolding. Feel the gentle weight of your body where it meets the surface beneath you. Sense the ease in your muscles and the calm that lingers in your mind. Allow yourself a moment to notice the space you occupy and the quiet presence within you that remains steady no matter what comes next. And before you return fully into your day, consider this question: what small choice can I make to invite more calm into my mind? Take a few moments to journal or free write your response, or carry it in your heart throughout your day. If this meditation brought you clarity or peace, share your experience in the comments below. And I would be honored if you would subscribe to the channel to continue your practice and explore more meditations that nurture calm and mindfulness in everyday life.